Now, I am not too late. I just difficult for connect. I don't know what's wrong with the internet today. I nearly can't connect. Hope the internet connection is now stable. I have problem with the internet here. Yes, yes, yes. What I can, darling? Internet there? Where? My internet is on already. I don't know what's some problems with the internet here. Okay, so we have Mac, Pim, James, and I have again a user. User, you need to change your password. You need to change your name. And third, nice, Bayok, and rename. Okay, I try to rename, so but I need to know who's user. Who's user? User, who are you? User, who are you? Okay, I just my screenshot here. Alice, what do you need now? No, so okay, I am quickly ready. Everybody came close. So I make a screenshot because I need to know who's the user and who is list. L-I-S-T, who's list? Now come both online too. Both and A. I know who's A, I know who's both, but I don't know who is list. Then I cannot read the Thai name and I don't know who is user. User is anyone, anonymous. So, okay, but I am not going wasting time now. I just make a screenshot and I send it into the live group. Then you can tell me maybe after who is user. Okay, good. Last time we've been talking about fraction. Today, I would like, please take your notebook, Samut, your notebook, and write with me the vocabulary. Vocabulary means in Thai language, you have a different, hello Teletubby, okay. In Thai language, you have other vocabulary as you have in English. Today, we need to learn the English vocabulary. So when we study, then you understand what I am speaking because you can connect it together with the Thai vocabulary. Hello, Mac. Okay. So today I need you to have a notebook. Write into the notebook the English vocabulary and write into your notebook the Thai translation of the English vocabulary. So I open here my screen share. So we have here fraction. We need to make the vocabulary because it makes everything shorter and more easy, especially by online study. Online study, we have no other way this time. We have term 100% online. For some of you may be happy, you can stay at home. For some students, I don't have any notebook left. Just take a paper. Just take something where you can write in it and take the paper and put the paper into your workbook. So if you forget what I am speaking, if you forget the vocabulary, you can look on the list. We need the vocabulary. I am Bayok. Okay. I see Bayok. Where is Bayok? I saw Bayok before. So Bayok has a normal name, right? Bayok, Bayok, Bayok. You know, when all of your chems are closed and I don't know who is who. So user is Bayok. Name, my name is list. Ah, okay. So Bayok is list now. Okay. List is Bayok. Bayok is list, but still I don't know who's the user. Okay, not a problem. We not go back. It's now on this subject. I screenshot already. Then I can put after the names in there. Okay, the school will be closed the whole term one. It looks like right now. Today we had meeting ครูโปหกทุกคนมีประชุมวันนี้เมื่อวาน I say it in Thai for really everybody understand เมื่อวานตอนเย็นพอไปห้องผมและพอถามเอ่อมีปัญหาอะไรประมาณ IEP ป6และเด็กบางคน not you now not you what are here now not the one what are online somebody who is not online I don't want to say a name I won't say a name โกหกพ่อแม่อยู่บ้านโกหกพ่อแม่อยู่บ้านประมาณครูโกหกไม่สอนออนไลน์ครูโทนี่ไม่สอนออนไลน์ครูโทนี่ไม่ทำงานไม่ทำงานวิดีโอ so I know who and lying doesn't help because the lies go to Paul, to the director. The director check and see it's a lie. So lying parents doesn't help. So we need to understand number one. Yeah, maybe you're right. We need to understand the 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 school will be closed the whole term. Then we have midterm test. For everyone who not know after about the studying what we do, you are online every day, I see. So you will be a big advantage when it's the midterm test because you can do the midterm test and everyone who doesn't study online won't can't do the midterm test and will go home with a grade 1. So you go home with a grade 4, they go home with a grade 1 because you understand study is necessary. We need to study. Same we study in school. The only difference is we are on computer. We cannot change the situation. I like to change the situation. I like to lose this mask. I like to go outside. I like to go to Central Plaza. I like to go to Terminal. Everybody suffering. Everybody feel bad about this COVID. We cannot change it. It's not our fault. So, okay. Do you everybody have a paper? Just take a paper and write the vocabulary on the paper and we go together through the math fraction vocabulary. Okay, good. Enough talked, enough spoken. So where is it now? Bonus key writing? No, for one back. So we have the fraction vocabulary. In the fraction vocabulary, we start here with numerator and denominator. Numerator and denominator. You know the Thai vocabulary. Can anyone tell me what is the Thai word for numerator? Numerator is here in orange. What is the Thai word for numerator? I don't see Poto today, so Poto is not online today.
Teacher, I'm here.
Ah, Poto is here. Who is Poto? Are you user?
No.
So I need glasses. No.
Photo is photo.
Poto is Poto. Okay, okay. I'm sorry. You came after my screenshot online. Okay, I'm sorry. Poto is Poto. Nana is here. Is here now too. Okay. some student came online after. Okay, not a problem. So somebody is so helpful and writes the Thai vocabulary on numerator and the Thai vocabulary on denominator, not terminator, not transformer. It is numerator and denominator. So upper lower number, lower number. What is the meaning from the numerator? And what is the meaning for the denominator? So we have there fraction bar. The fraction bar is this here, what I have between the both numbers. It's a fraction bar. And all together is the fraction. So please note the vocabulary on your paper for you have this vocabulary, because when we have test midterm, we test about word problems and writing also there about the numerator and denominator. So if I write, okay, denominator is this number, numerator is this number, you have no clue what is now a denominator and what is a numerator. So this is the reason we learn about the vocabulary. Okay. So the upper number, the top number means how many parts do I have a whole? So we have here also we call the upper number, we tell part. The lower number is the whole. So that means this example, this you know in Thai, 4/4 would be 1. So 1 whole. So here we have 1 part of these 4 parts. Same as example here, to this number I say quarter. Last time already I touched about that. We use the quarter and the clock because we have 4 times 15 minutes. 2/4 I not say, I say 3/4 as example, or I say 12:15. So then I know 15 minutes past 12 because I know 1 hour has 60 minutes. 1/4 would be 15, 2/4 30, 3/4 45. So numerator and denominator, numerator and denominator. So now we come on common fraction. A common denominator means the lower number, all denominators have the same number. Easy to add or minus or divide or multiply for make an equal. So we have there to plus a number, I need to equal the denominator. So we say there, common denominator, common denominator. ภาษาไทย So you write there in Thai language, what is the meaning for that? The common denominator. Same when you get in the midterm test, you get a word problem, and I write in the word problem, the common denominator is 16. So then you know what is the meaning for the common denominator. Okay, are you finished? I guess so. Everybody quiet. So nobody say, oh, stop. Good. Unlike fraction, as example, last week,ป. 5 มีปัญหามาก The grade 5 had big problems with unlike fraction. Unlike fraction and like fraction, or we say they're also common denominator. A like fraction, both denominators are the same. So both denominators are the same. Unlike fraction is what I have here. I have different denominators. So we have there unlike fraction. Unlike fraction. So if I have a like fraction, then I write like if everything is 4 as example here. And unlike fraction is when the denominator is different. Like fraction, same denominator. Unlike fraction, not same denominator. Equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction is I have the same amount, but different pieces, different fraction. You see in the graphic, you have the same amount. So we say there equivalent fraction, but divided into different fraction. So we have here as example, denominator 8, 4, or 2. The amount is the same. The amount is the same, but the pieces are different. We say there equivalent fraction, fraction that are equal in size. So the same amount, the same size in the fraction. Equivalent fraction. So here come the vocabulary, what I told before. Part. Part is a piece of a whole. A part is a piece of a whole. The whole is everything. Same as example, you have a pizza. I like to eat a whole pizza, or I like to eat only a part. But how big is the part? Is the part a half, a quarter, or there is the eighth? So we have there the part. Same as example here, I divide this circle into 4 pieces. So one part would be a quarter. One part is a quarter. A part means the numerator. The numerator is a part. Denominator, the denominator is the whole. Denominator whole, numerator is the part. Please make notes on a paper. I sent this also then after on Line Messenger. So also on Discord and Line Messenger, tell it so in PDF. So you can download it and see and can repeat about that if you like or if you need. So we have it here again. We have an improper fraction, equivalent fraction, simplest form fraction, and the mixed number. So we start upstairs, improper. Improper means not proper fraction. Improper fraction means the numerator is larger than the denominator. So the numerator is Poon raise hand. Poon, yes? Poon. Poon. Maybe he's just playing. Poon, you raise hand. No, no answer. So we have here the improper fraction. The improper fraction means the numerator is larger than the denominator. You know, the denominator is smaller. So I have to make out from this improper fraction, I have to make a proper fraction. Equivalent fraction we had before, that means the same size, the same amount, the same size, but different pieces. So 1/2 equals 4/8 equals the same amount. Simplify this we make later. And we have here decimals. About decimals we will talk about later. And mixed numbers. That means as example we had here the improper fraction. From the improper fraction I make a mixed number. Mixed number means whole and fraction. So you know this already, I hope. This is our next step, what we have to study in the next weeks. We will work with fraction, percentage, and decimals. So we have to calculate from decimals to fraction, from fractions to decimals. And this is a nice table what we have here, for you can see how to calculate from fraction to decimals and from decimals to fraction. Because to convert the numbers from fraction to decimals, you have to first fraction to percentage and from percentage to decimals. And the opposite way is the same. I can convert the decimal into percentage first, and then after from the percentage, I go into the fraction. I hear TV in the background. Who is that? Okay. Poto,
Yes.
can you understand me? Can you understand me when I speak? Do you hear me loud
Yes.
and clear?
Yes.
Okay. Only for I
But
ask.
there is open my is the sound is very loud.
What is louder? My sound too loud.
JJ open microphone.
My sound is too loud.
No, no.
No. Now it's okay?
Yes.
Okay, good. No, I had problems before in grade 5. Some students say I am too silent. Other students say I am too loud. So I think it's about volume on the computer. Okay, good. So we have always two-step calculate. So we have to first fraction converts into percentage, and from the percentage I can go to the decimals. Directly go from the decimals to the fraction, I need to calculate always into percentage. Okay, but this is what we will do in the next weeks. We will here study about fraction, percentage, and decimals. Now, oh, okay. So here we say extend fraction. Extend fraction we need when we plus or minus numbers. So make an addition or make a subtraction of numbers. So if I have a subtraction or an addition in a number, I need to have the same denominator. So I need to have a like fraction. So we have to change the denominator from a fraction if the plus, if the denominator of the number that I have to plus is different. So I have to find the like denominator. So we have there as example, an extension of 6. So we call that extend fraction, extend fraction. Please make there a note too. Extend fraction means make a fraction smaller pieces, extend the fraction. Extend the fraction. You see it's here as example, the amount is same, the amount is same, but the pieces are more. The amount is the same, but the pieces are more. So we have there extend fraction. Something is slow again. Why? Now. And then the next one, the opposite from extend is reduce fraction. So we have here extend fraction, 3/9 of 18/54 is extend the fraction. And here we have to reduce a fraction. This is something we have to do in every calculation we have to do in the equal in the end. We have to reduce the fraction to the most possible number, to the so we have there's example 4/16, and we have here 1/4. So when you compare the graphic, when you compare the picture with each other, both amount same big. So we have there the same amount, but the different fraction. So we have here 16 for 4/16 and here 1/4. We say there reduce fraction. So reduce as much as possible. You cannot go more than this here. And this you have to do in your calculations as well. So and the next one, talking. Aha, okay. Start video. Oh, this is interesting. Okay. Start video, stop video. So, okay. In the next one, you have improper fraction. An improper fraction. Okay, now you can write on the monitor again. Can you tell me the proper fraction from this improper fraction? Can you give me a proper fraction from this improper fraction? Who can give me a proper fraction? You see here, yeah, somebody is doing something. Good. 5. Very good. Okay, Photo gave the answer already. So we have there 5, 5/6. 5, 5/6. Okay, very good. Now someone else can try the next one. Convert mixed number into improper fraction. So now you make the opposite. The opposite from a mixed number, you change to an improper fraction. Who are gonna ask? Who are gonna ask? Am is always so quiet. No, Bayok, she can write on the monitor. Bayok, try. Make me this here. Easy for you. Okay, correct. This goes quick. So now it is more like about the vocabulary. You know already how to do. Only for you know how to speak the vocabulary. So we have here mixed number into improper fraction. Mixed number into improper fraction because this here is a mixed number. This here is a mixed number. Mixed number means same you mix something, wholes and fractions. This we say mixed number. A mixed number. And this is what we go on the next time to do. Go from fraction to decimal numbers. From fraction to decimal numbers. So you see here, this here would be percentage, and this here is the decimal. 100% is the full, and we have here 50%, 50%. So it's here decimal. So, but this here we're going to do next in the next lessons. So now, who can explain me for you understand what is the meaning from LCM? Do you study about LCM already, right? Third, did you study about LCM already? Third, you can write on the monitor, yes, no?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So you study about LCM already. Okay, anyone in the group what is now online do not understand the LCM? LCM, yes, list. LCM, okay, you write in Thai. What do you say in Thai to that, Bayok? The LCM in Thai.
Corona.
Say again for I can hear it.
Corona.
Colonel. Okay, I like to remember that. I teach you, you teach me. Okay, Colonel, Colonel, Colonel. There is now my pen. My pen. Colonel. Okay. Colonel. Colonel. Do I speak this correct?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Thank you very much. I like to learn too. Okay, we make the same last time when we lose the connection, we go back into the connection. But today we will not work too much, and you get only a little bit work to do because on Monday the school is closed. Grade 5 student asked me for online on Sunday, so I go on Sunday. I go on Zoom too. I guess if I ask you, do you like study on Sunday? Everybody will say no. Okay, let's see. Who like to
No, no.
now,
No.
now everybody can talk. Everybody can talk. No, 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 no. No, it's okay. Don't worry. Don't worry. Okay, so Monday is a holiday. Wednesday, I think too, and Friday is also a holiday. So 3 days, I think, is a holiday. So I am online on Tuesday again and on Wednesday, Tuesday and Wednesday. Yeah, it's okay. Don't worry. Don't worry. You don't have to. It's only the student asked me, not my idea. The student asked me. Don't worry. Okay. So, so you know already what is the LCM. The LCM. So then is the next. What is here? What is that now? What is writing? So now then you know this here already. So we have here as example 3/16. I like to plus this 3/16 with 8/20. Who can tell me the outcome? Let me see. You understand. So we have here, what is the LCM of this calculation? What's the LCM? What's the LCM of this calculation?
80.
Somebody talk with me. Oh, I'm so happy. Correct. 80. Okay. Oh, why my Zoom goes, my calculation goes off. So okay, you already saw the numbers. So 80 is the correct number. That is correct. So we have here to calculate the first one and the second one and get there the equal amount of fraction, and the outcome here is 47/80. Okay, good. Okay, now we come to our book. Yeah, it's okay. Where's Zoom? Here's Zoom. So somehow, are you still there?
Yes.
Okay, somehow I had a glitch in my Zoom. Okay, do you see the book?
Yes.
Okay, so in the book we have here the LCM. This here, somehow everything slows down now. I don't know why. I'm sorry. This is page number 22. Page number 22. So I would like from you to calculate the LCM of number 1. What is the LCM on number 1? Who can tell me the ACM on number 1?
36.
You say 36. 36, you say. Okay. So when you have the LCM of 36, so now what about this number? Can you tell me the fraction here? So you have to multiply this here of 12, right? Is this correct?
Yes.
Okay. So can you tell me the outcome of this? What's the outcome here? What is the first fraction? So you can compare the fraction. Quiet, everybody quiet. Somebody can write? You say the LCM is 36. So what does now this fraction when you have to multiply that? What is the fraction now? Quiet. Hello. Photo?
Yes.
Okay. This say 179. Okay, when you finish, yes, but it says here, look, write the working way, write the working way. So we have here the first fraction, the second fraction. So when we go to this example here, we have here 8 multiply 12 is 96, right? And in the second form, you have to there multiply of 2. The point is, I like to see the working way. So, Bayok, you have a pen, right? 198 list already. Yes, this list is Bayok, correct. Okay, very good. So my work for you would be here. Please, can you do me this page? I know I've been told not to give any homework, but it is not really homework. It is not much to do here. I need you work me a little bit in the workbook too. Write me here, please, A. And the working way also, how you get on this number, not only the result. Write the number, how you get on there, on number 12, number 21 and page number 22. Only this 6, okay? We need to work also a little bit in the exercise book. Are you okay with that? Only a little bit, okay?
Okay.
On Tuesday, we will make it like that for we work on everybody up on Tuesday, and on Tuesday, Wednesday is closed, and Thursday we will work on grammar friend. I take the important books. The most important book is grammar friend, and everybody up in communication. Okay. So I see you again on Tuesday, same time as today. And just make a picture from your work and send me the picture online or Discord. It's up to you. But not send it into the live group, send it me personal. Okay. I sent the presentation. I sent what we have here. I'm going to send this here, what I show you today, into the live group too, so you can repeat the vocabulary. And if you have not written everything, then you can use this here to write and translate the vocabulary into your papers or into your book, whatever, for you have the vocabulary. Okay. So I see you again on Tuesday. I'm very happy. You made me today very happy. You made me last time very happy, because you start communicating, you start talking, and I don't feel like on a graveyard. If you know what is a graveyard. Graveyard is the picture what I had last time in my background. Okay, good. I wish you happy holiday. Tomorrow I think you have to work, right? พรุ่งนี้เปิดไหม พรุ่งนี้เรียนไหม
No.
ไม่เรียน
No.
พรุ่งนี้
No.
Okay. So you have no. Oh. So you have a long weekend. So you can relax. You deserve relax. And I see you again on Tuesday. Okay. Bye bye, ladies and gentlemen.
Bye-bye.
Have a good evening, everybody.